Yuck! Mushy tagliatelle ruins dinner. But don't worry, I'll show you the exact time to cook it right. Let's fix it, super easy. Want 20 free lasagna recipes? Link in description, chefcrown.com/lasagna. Step 1. Fill your pot with 5 quarts of water, 20 cups. Tagliatelle needs lots of room. Step 2. Add 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Taste it, like the sea. Step 3. Use 1 pound of tagliatelle. Stir it slowly, it's delicate. Step 4. Set your timer for 8 minutes. Tagliatelle cooks fast. Test it early. If it's a little firm, it's done. If it is too hard, cook for 1 more minute. So simple. Step 5. Save 1 cup pasta water. Mix it with sauce for super flavor. No more mush, just perfect tagliatelle. You're a pasta hero. Want more pasta magic? Grab our 20 free lasagna recipes. Link in description, chefcrown.com/lasagna.